Hey guys, I just bought this new tire gauge from Amazon, and this is a different type of gauge. I usually get the cheapy ones that have, it looks like a pen and it pops out from the top. This one's really different. This one has a actual gauge, a circular gauge, and it tells you the pressure exactly. And it has a pressure release button here, just in case you want to deflate your tire if it's too high, the pressure. So I'm gonna give this a try. Amazon has very good reviews on this one. There's a lot of different kinds. I'll put the link to this particular one in the description of this video. By the way, this thing rotates, so whatever angle you're going to look at it, you can just rotate it very easily. Okay, so it's reading about, let's say, 34. It's about 34 psi. So to check what the maximum pressure for the tire should be, it's usually written on the tire. 50 psi maximum pressure. So this tire should not be pumped over 50 psi. In fact, it should not really be pumped to 50 either. To figure out what the recommended tire pressure is for your car, at least for newer cars, what you have to do is open the driver's side door like that, and in the doorway you get a little sticker just like this, and it should tell you here for the front tires on this particular car, which is a 2009 Toyota Matrix, it's going to be 32 psi, and for the rear tires also 32 psi. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you guys out. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. It helps my channel out. And if you're interested in this gauge here, which works really well, please look at the description of this video. You'll find the link to it. I bought it on Amazon. It was fairly cheap. Thank you for watching. Until next time.